Real quick, I just had to say, as I'm editing this video, we crossed over 100 subs, and that's just crazy. Thank you guys so much.
So, if you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you probably know by now that I'm running the 12-inch mini moto wheels from Flow. Now, originally these came with slicks on them, and I do a lot of off-roading, and the slicks were not cutting it for off-roading. However, since then, I've gotten some mini 12-inch Shinko SR241s, and I have yet to test the off-roading capabilities of this bike. So today is a super beautiful day out, and we're gonna go hit some trails and see just how well this thing performs at 12,000 watts with 12-inch mini moto wheels. My bike is so low, it's scraping on all of these sticks right here, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, what the frick? All right, so we made it to the entrance of the trails, and as you guys can see, it's completely overgrown, so this is going to be a pain, to say the least. Huh. This is gonna be fun. I see thorns on top of this right here. Oh god. I'm just giving it gas, dude. I'm just going. There's a spider web that has to go. Get that out the way. Oh my god, there's so much stuff stuck to me. Holy cow. I'm just gonna have to duck and go for it here. Ugh. Holy cow, bro. It is growing up back here. It's been way too long since I've been back here. Oh my god, my helmet. Well, I am covered in stuff, and that is just cool, but at least we're getting closer. I finally made it out of the forest over here down into the creek bed. Dude, that was actually one of the hardest things I've ever done with this bike. There's just a million giant rocks under all these bushes here, and these little wheels do not like getting over those rocks very easily. Let's just say that. Gotta get over all these rocks without destroying the wheels. Oh my god, I can't see what I'm riding to right now, and I don't like it. I'm about to just go through here, dude. Put my goggles back on and send it. Screw it. Big giant bushes like this, dude. It's in my face. Ooh, this is. Oh my god. I'm sitting in squishy mud right now. Oh my god. Dude. We made it. Let it rip a little bit. That just covered me in mud, bro. Oh my god. Ooh. Hopefully you guys can see okay. I'm trying to hold the camera in my left hand because I still don't have any kind of mount for this thing. So, yeah. There's that. Oh god. This is a hill. Oh my god. Dude. Are you serious? Am I gonna get stuck right here? I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. My shoes are full of sticks, mud, and a bunch of other stuff. But I'm gonna get to this hill climb. My bike is going to need a bath after this, to say the least. Oh no, not the spider. Oh. Bro, oh, spider web and a stick. Ooh, freak, dude. No way, the spider's on my brake lever, dude. We're coming out into the clearing here that has all of the trails at it finally. Oh shoot, that's a big stick. Oh. All right, cool. We made it down here to the hill climbs. I don't know how steep this looks on camera. It never looks that steep on camera. Let's walk up this hill. See if you guys can get an idea of just how steep this is. If I can walk up this and not fall and eat it. Dude, my goodness. All right, so that is the smallest of all the hills. You can see the bike all the way down there. The farther you go along this hill, the steeper and longer they get. And also over there, got a massive hill climb. Hopefully this is doable right here. There's some big sticks in the way. Oh yeah. Oh my god, dude. See if we can get a cleaner run here. There's this big old stick in the way right here though, dude. This thing literally almost wheelies up the hill now, dude. That's comedy. That is so fun. Bro, this thing is so much fun. Oh God. I don't know if I'll make this. Oh yeah, easy. Easy. Easy, baby. Bro, there's a massive rock in the way. Oh yeah, easy mode, even with the 12-inch mini motos, dude. This thing just sends it right up. Wish you guys could have seen this drift I did right here after the last run. Oh goodness, I'm coming in hot. Oh my God, dude, that stick just gave away when I ran into it. Here's the hill. Hopefully you guys can tell just how big this is on camera, but in real life, dude, this is gonna be something right here with these little mini motos. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh my God! I made it! I made it! Oh my gosh. Okay. I mean, that really answers the question. If you guys have been looking at 12-inch mini moto wheels, wondering if you could do some off-roading with them, the answer is yes. You could do some off-roading with them. Well, pretty much any off-roading you want. I just did some pretty extreme stuff. Just know that it does not make a lot of things easier. It makes a lot of stuff a lot harder. Still, the bike looks sick rocking them, dude. I absolutely love this setup still. Well, kind of. I'm looking at some bigger wheels and tires. I don't know yet. We'll just have to see. But as of right now, this setup rocks, dude. Heading out of here might not actually be that bad. We're in some fairly deepish water right now, so kind of getting a built-in bath for the bike, dude. Trying to stay out of the very deep areas though. Oh God, I just soaked my shoe, man. This is sketchy, but it's kind of peaceful at the same time, dude. I actually just went through some really deep water and got the engine underwater just a tiny bit, but I guess that's less clear for me once I get back home, bro. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like. Got any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.